Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to attach shifter linkage on this latest G-body swap. So we have an 85 Cutlass with the 5.3 4L60E transmission. This is out of a like an 04 360 GMT. So that's like the Trailblazer Envoy truck. So pause for a minute. I'm going to show you what I got going under the car. Okay, so this this setup here, this little fabrication, is using the original 4L60E linkage, shifter linkage. It's trimmed off, and then there's this this nut that I welded, and I'm sorry about the shadows. And that's what it looks like using a bar. There's a spacer there, and I'll go through the motions of reverse, neutral, drive 1, or rather overdrive 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, drive. Alright, so it goes through all the ranges. Okay, and then over here, this is where the rod attaches. So I'm going to pause again. So this is the original shifting linkage that goes from the column lever all the way down to the transmission. Okay, this needs to be bent a few times and flattened. It's a lot of it is in and out under the car and back in under the car to make this the bends and twists right. One thing that helps is if you put it in a vise and use a bar. So I'll show you that. So this is the way I was doing my tweaking. I would just have a this is off of a jack, and I would go in here and I would either push or pull. For the flattening out of this top, I just, put it in the vise and tighten it down. Other point, I used, knocking a small sledgehammer on the floor to flatten out a bump that was here. Like I said, you do have to go in and out under the car a few times. So at this point, I got it close. And I may have to do a little tweaking, but right now, and I'm using the factory style header, the cast iron. See, it's not rubbing. It's real close down there. And like if you see, that's how it's set up. There's not a lot of aftermarket solutions. As you might know, if you're doing one of these swaps, you have to do a little bit of fabrication and figuring out. So I hope this helps you.